Hello everyone, if you want to make a top-down camera stand, I can teach you how to make one that works, but it will swing a bit. So let's get started. First, you will need a pair of pliers and around 10 to 12 meters of metal wire. You will also need a support, which in my case I have a lamp in my room to do the job. Here is the blueprint of my camera stand. You can adjust the height of the metal wire and the dimensions of the phone rack to fit your needs. In this blueprint, I will make 2 triangles and then a phone rack to hold my Samsung Galaxy S8. Unfortunately, while making this video, I accidentally lost the footage of the whole process making this, so I can only show you some pictures while telling you what you need to take note of. The very first thing is the support wire. If it's too thin, please fold the support wire into 2 and then connect it with a metal wire together to make it more sturdy, just like in this video. Next, please make the phone rack to have a hashtag symbol in the middle so the phone rack won't block the camera on your phone. This is very important. And third, please make sure that your equipment is not too heavy that it will damage or warp the camera stand and the structure supporting it. In my case, I have to make sure that my equipment is not too heavy so the lamp will fall down. And last but not least, please find a way to straighten the wires before you make this kind of structure. Otherwise, you'll end up making a dodgy structure just like mine. So with that being said, put all the triangles and the rectangles together and you will get something like this. So that's about it from me, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Goodbye!